Hi, and welcome to Massell Creations. Today we are going to do our cute little bunny mold that we got from Temu and see what it looks like. I poured alcohol in this and it measured out at 5 ounces, so I made 6 just in case. And what I want to do is I want to blue and white marble this in order to try and get like a blue sky background behind the bunnies so that I don't have to worry about painting the blue background on it. So what I'm going to do is I have mixed up, like I said, I did 6 ounces. It holds 5, so we should have plenty of resin. And then I have about 4 ounces that I mixed our Rolio Maya Blue into. And then I took the rest of it and put it in here, and I added Let's Resin White. And I added a little bit of Rolio Pearl White to give it a little bit of shimmer. And I'm hoping that's going to look like a sky, and this will kind of look like the clouds. I'm probably wishful thinking, but you know, it's all good. And I really need to get a spray bottle for my alcohol. I keep forgetting to do that when I go to the store. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of alcohol in here. Keep in mind that alcohol does shorten the lifespan of your molds. But it's more important to me, and this is a Temu mold, so it didn't cost me very much. And if I want another one, I can just get it. But this way, if I can get any chance of not getting alcohol, or excuse me, bubbles into my resin project, it's worth it to me. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour and hope it doesn't get lost. I think it's going to get lost in my blue. We're going to find out. And I don't want to mix it because I really don't want to lose my white. Whoops, don't get it on your table, Kathy. Actually, before I fill it all the way up, I just want to squeeze around my little bunnies' noses and their little feet and try and get any chance of bubbles getting caught up in there. Get it taken care of now before I get it completely full. I've gave it every opportunity I possibly can to not get caught. So let's see. I'll go ahead and just add the rest of our white into our blue. And just top it off. This is fully cured. I have my gloves on because we're gonna color this here in a second, and I know exactly where all that marker is gonna go, and it's on my fingers. Oh, we got a little bit of a marble. Turn your molds right side out so you don't cause any issues. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Got a cute little marble out of it. A really nice little marble. The white's not too prominent, but it is definitely there. All right, let me get my Let's Resin markers out, and we're going to color this up.
A little mold and a little pour, swirls of blue I can't ignore. Soft white clouds begin to flow, magic in the mix below. Petals bring to life tiny bunnies, soft and bright. It's a little bunny jar made with love, colors blooming like spring above. From a pour to work of art, just a little piece of heart. My simple, sweet, and oh so fun. Another craft I've just begun.
The last thing I want to do is I'm just going to go around and touch the tips of these flowers with some lighter colors, just to add a little bit of dimension to it. I don't want to cover the color that's under it. I just want to add just a little interest to every flower, like the reflection of a pool of water, or you know what I mean, the sun, or just add a little flair. And you could definitely go in with different colors on each flower. I really like how this is turning out. And if you didn't like this, you just go back over it with the original color and try something different. It's very forgiving. Super careful to stay off of my bunnies. My trimmers were really bad, so I ended up having to go in and cover up some of their eyes with white and then draw the black back in because I put too much white. It was just very forgiving, as I said.
A little mold and a little pour, swirls of blue I can't ignore. Soft white clouds begin to flow, magic in the mix below.
Okay, I'm happy with that. And then I just took some of our UV resin and added some crushed crystal to it. And then this is a brush that I use for nothing but UV resin, so I keep it in the dark at all times. I don't ever let it get exposed to sunlight. And the only thing I have left to do is we're just going to coat this entire piece, all the colored pieces that we just did. I'm going to coat all of that in UV resin with our UV or our crushed crystal in it, because I want it to be sparkly. I want it to shine. And that'll also seal that color in so that it doesn't ever come off.
A little mold and a little pour, swirls of blue I can't ignore. Soft white clouds begin to flow, magic in the mix below. Paint the petals, bring to life tiny bunnies, soft and bright. It's a little bunny jar made with love, colors blooming like spring above. From a pour to work of art, just a little piece of heart. My simple, sweet, and oh so fun. Another craft I've just begun.
And the last thing I'm going to do is put a UV light on it and let it cure. That does it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That's all cured. And that paint is sealed in there forever, so that will never come off. And it is so shiny. And I like that I made that shiny because the back is kind of the background's kind of a matte. And so that makes the flowers really, really stand out. They're flowers in the rabbits. So I'm not sure which would be worse, doing it this way or trying to paint the inside of the mold. I'm pretty sure painting the inside would be worse. It would be awful pretty. If you've got a steadier hand than I do, I think I'd try it. I know I would not be able to get away with it. Alright guys, I'll get you some pictures. Thank you so much for joining us today. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the like button. And if you would be so kind, hit the subscription button. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps us out a ton. And until next time, we'll see you then. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
A little mold and a little pour, swirls of blue I can't ignore. Soft white clouds begin to flow, magic in the mix below. Paint the petals, bring to life tiny bunnies, soft and bright. The little bunny jar made with love, colors blooming like spring above. From a pour to work of art, just a little piece of heart. My simple, sweet, and oh so fun. Another craft I've just begun.